Hey lovelies, welcome back to the kitchen. I'll be teaching you how to make sweet potato cornbread today. Of course, Roma's kitchen style.
Can't cook. Think you there, you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
To start, I'll be adding in my bowl flour and the salt. Next, I'll be going in with cornmeal. Then of course you can't leave out the spices, so I'll be going in with nutmeg, cinnamon and cloves. Then I'll be adding in some baking powder. Then I'll just give everything a nice mix, just whisk everything together. And guys, if you want to see the full ingredients list with all the measurements, click the link in the description box. Head on over to my website to see this in detail. Next, here I have sweet potato and butter, and for my sweet potato I just steamed it and never boiled it. Next, I'm going in with brown sugar. Then I'm going in with eggs. And for me, I like to add a little lemon juice or a little lime juice to my egg, or you can add some lemon or lime zest to cut the rawness. So here I'm just using my hand mixer to mix everything together. You can use a fork or you can use a whisk. It's all up to you, but just mix that in all together really nicely. Next, I'm going to add to this some milk. You can use buttermilk for best results, but here I'm just using some soy milk because I don't want to use cow's milk or any other milk, but you can use buttermilk for best results, but this was still yummy. Alright, so now it's time to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. You'll definitely be needing all that mixture, so you could just add everything in at once, but I just want to add it a little by little and then just kind of mix, just cut and fold, because to me it's easier. Alright, so you keep cutting and folding, mixing everything together. And as I said, you'll need all this liquid, so go ahead and scoop that all in. Then you just put some mussel into it and mix it well. This has cornmeal, so you don't want it too dry, but you don't want it too wet. So when you're finished, it should look something like this, nice and ready. This even tastes yummy as is. Alright, look at the texture, look at the consistency. Not too dry, not too wet. So here I'm going to be pouring it into my loaf tin. And this is a 9-inch loaf tin, or a loaf pan rather. If you're like me and it didn't get a little spot like that, no problem. Just kind of move it around a little and all will be well. And you try to get everything in your loaf pan, alright? Nice and lovely. And this is it. All you need to do, you need to shake your container a little so that it's nice and leveled at the top. And then you're going to just put this in the oven. I use an electric oven and I baked this for 45 minutes at 350 degrees, and voila. When it's finished, you can just add some butter on top of it if you'd like, but that's totally optional. Mine cracked a little, which means that the oven was probably a little too hot, but it baked to perfection. It's really moist, I'm telling you. And then it has little chunks of sweet potato in it, so that makes it even better for me because I really love sweet potato. Remember guys, if you want to see the recipe in detail, you can check out my website at romaskitchen.net. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on. Thank you so much for watching. Until next video.